Make sure the bottles and the fuel tank are filled. Check the hot water hose for damage. Attach the hot water hose to the ECOFIPS. Attach the weed gun to the hot water hose. Connect the electric cord. Please note, if extension cords are needed, they must be splash-proof. Connect your garden hose with a Gardena hosel lock hose coupling to the ECOFIPS and make sure the water is running. Pull and hold the trigger on the gun. Don't let any water run onto the area you are planning to treat. Turn on the water pump. Then, turn on the boiler. In small increments, set the temperature to 92 degrees Celsius. Because it will take a while for the water to heat up, be patient about finding the right temperature. Recommendation: you will need to hold the trigger down while operating the equipment, because otherwise the boiler goes out. For best results and a consistent temperature, hold the trigger at all times. If you want to use ECOFIPS foam, simply turn on the pump and turn the knob to the right until you have reached the ideal amount of foam. To shut off the ECOFIPS, turn off the pump for the operating liquid and the boiler first if you have been using them. Leave the water running a bit so your ECOFIPS can cool down to a temperature below 40 degrees Celsius. Then you can turn off the water pump. One more important thing. After 45 minutes of uninterrupted use, you should let the ECOFIPS cool down for an hour. Please also follow the safety tips and additional information provided in your operating manual.